There's a moment in every woodworker's journey when the how starts to matter less than the why. When you've learned to cut clean joints, sharpen your tools, and follow the grain, and suddenly you find yourself searching for something deeper. Not just function, not just form, but feeling. That's when inspiration matters. Not the kind you find in tool catalogs or YouTube tutorials, but the kind that lives in quiet books and quiet workshops. Let's talk about that kind of inspiration. Not every woodworking book is meant to teach you how to cut dovetails or sharpen your chisels. Some are there to remind you why you do it in the first place. James Krenov's books, The Fine Art of Cabinet Making, The Impractical Cabinet Maker, aren't step-by-step guides. They are like meditations on wood, on tools, on the relationship between you and the material. He wrote about taking joy in the grain of a board, the quiet rhythm of hand planing, about not rushing, about making furniture that speaks softly but with presence. And yes, some might say his writing isn't that practical, there are no diagrams of jigs, no efficiency hacks, but Krenov offers something more rare: permission to care deeply. To build something not because it's fast or profitable, but because it's beautiful, because it brings you joy. I come back to Krenov not for techniques, but for perspective. In a world that loves speed and productivity, I found his books are a kind of a rebellion. A reminder that skill isn't just about precision, it's about patience. And beauty doesn't have to shout, it can whisper. If you're just starting woodworking, you might not need James Krenov, but eventually you'll want him. Because somewhere between the cuts and the glue-ups, you'll start looking for meaning, and he'll be waiting for you on the shelf, with a smile in the grain and a story in every curve. What do you think? Is this just romantic nonsense? Or is there real value in searching for meaning and beauty in our projects? Leave a comment and I will see you in the next video.